I am the one, conscious, woke. I'm the leader of the lost, the follower of the ones who know the way. I am that bridge the gap. I am the connection between the higher power and the earth. I am rich. I realize I create happiness. On my way to wealth, so I'll never be broke. If it's broken, I'll fix it. I am life, so I reproduce. I am peace. Know who you are. Know yourself. I don't care who you are. I wish you peace. I wish you a peace of mind. Peace of mind is hard to find. It's hard to find, but it's even harder to keep. So if you're able to keep peace, then you're the one winning. Because after war, we search for peace. After chaos, we search for peace. After the world ripping and running, we search for peace. After we turn up, we search for peace. After we get lit, we search for peace. Peace is everything. It's the alpha and omega. It's what you want when you wake up. It's what you want when you go to sleep. So whoever you is, I wish you peace. And it's just a piece of it. Still into this. We'll take you to a whole nother world, basically. And zone out. Give yourself like 30 minutes of this. You can spare another 30 minutes, give yourself an hour. Because I know you're going around visiting people. I know you're helping other people. I know you're working. I know you're spending more than an hour of pleasing somebody else. If you can't give yourself 30 minutes to an hour of peace, time, you always gonna be ripping and running, stumbling, bumping your head, stressed out. Take time to breathe. In with the good, out with the bad. In with the good, out with the bad. And then you gotta picture. You gotta picture things. You gotta make them tangible. You feel? Everything is vibes. How the water splash off the rocks. Even coming from whatever this nastiness is, it's the flowing of the water, the vibration, steering to it to your sight, takes you somewhere else, to a whole nother galaxy. Breathe in with the good, out with the bad, let that bad go. Breathe in with the good, out with the bad. Give yourself 30 minutes, maybe an hour a day, get away from somebody. Squeeze in 20 minutes, that's all you got. You got to give it back to the universe if you're going to help anybody. And we all got to help each other. Feel what I'm saying? But if you're giving people more than an hour a day and not giving yourself more than that amount of time, you always going to be stumbling. Take time for yourself. Give it back. And then manifest. What's manifest? Think about it, visualize it, and create it. Don't stay stuck in it.